Look at the smoke. This is lame. Whoa.
That's cool.
Surprised people's car windows aren't breaking. Are those the kind of booms that you're talking about?
No, it wasn't a band. It's under construction. Messed it up, man.
Take that picture.
You messed it up, man. Look at that crap.
Do what now?
Oh, that's pretty. Sound like gunshots.
A delay in the sound.
Yeah. Why does it do that?
Because the speed of light travels quicker than the speed of sound.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, I like those ones.
Those are cool, weren't they?
That blue one was a mortar. A couple of them are mortars. Look at it's making clouds.
That one's cool.
Oh yeah.
I like the star one.
Wow. Ooh.
They shoot them off the north here.
Yeah. There's a barge. It's not set up on the pier.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
That looks like it's 3D.
That is huge.
Look at that. It looks like it's coming at you.
Yep.
It's like a 3D effect. Whoa. I like this. What? That one that they just shot. That one. And that one. That one. That one. I want to see the finale. The finale is the best. Some of those are going up like 600 feet. There goes two. I think it's the finale.
No. Finale. It's higher than that. Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Those weren't going off very far from.
You wouldn't want to get hit by one of those. Ooh, I like that one. They changed it up.
Oh, those are pretty cool.
Whoa. That's I like those.
Whoa.
Oh.
Beer before liquor, never sticker. Liquor before beer, you're in the clear.
Means if you drink liquor before beer.
You're fine, but if you drink beer before liquor, you're sick. I forgot who told me that trick down
I like those ones.
More beer. I would agree with it probably though.
Why? Combination.
Liquor's hard, man. High alcohol content.
Sometimes the beer, you get beer that's high alcohol.
Not like liquor is. 90 proof.
Oh, you bet you'll blow.
Right now it's a lot of the same.
Drink liquor.
Is wine considered liquor?
Yeah, so it's liquor, but it's wine.
Whoa.
Oh, that was pretty. Whoa.
Yeah, a couple of them hit the feet. I like that sound. But it sucks that they have the delay.
Because it's the 3rd of July. It's the 3rd of July.
Whoa.
That's a weird one.
No.
I think that one was a custom.
Right. Yeah.
Whoa.
That is pretty. Ah, that was cool.
Those are awesome.
Is the channel right on the other side?
No, it's down a ways.
Huh?
It's down a ways.
Oh, so this is not the channel that you take the boat out of.
the finale? If it is, it's a pretty lame one.
No, it's not, Kevin.
Oh yeah.
Well, those are low.
What?
Those are low.
I like those.
Wow. That one's way up there. Sweet.
They have a lot of those. Oh, like one of them failed. Whoa.
That's pretty cool.
Red one. Whoa.
Yes, you make it hard, Ricky.
Oh, you can see that. It looks like a rocket.
Talking to the big one.
You can see them. You can see down there on the other side of the pier the barge where they're lighting them off from.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch of them going up there.
I couldn't get it. Yeah, I got
Whoa.
Whoa. Is this the finale?
I don't know. It's the finale already. That was quick.